everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today's topic is about the four W's. Wether, W-H-E-T-H-E-R, wether, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, wither, W-I-T-H-E-R, and wether, W-E-T-H-E-R. Wether, W-H-E-T-H-E-R. Whether is a conjunction which is used especially in reporting questions and expressing doubts. Whether is similar to if, but the only difference is conditional word if can be used for any conditional sentences, whereas whether can be used if there are two alternatives. Example sentence: I should decide whether to paint the wall green or blue. Here, green and blue are the two alternatives. Wether, W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather is a noun which is the state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time as regards heat, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind, rain, etc. Example sentence: the weather is supposed to be nice this weekend. Wither, W-I-T-H-E-R. Wither is a verb which means to fade, to decay, or to slowly disappear, or to lose importance. Wether, W-E-T-H-E-R. A wether is a castrated male sheep, that is a ram. Additional information corner. Wether, W-H-E-T-H-E-R. Wether, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, and whether, W-E-T-H-E-R, are homophones that have same sounds and different meanings. Hope this video was a beneficial one to you. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Please do follow me on Instagram and Facebook using the links given in the description. Thank you.